Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Anita Mataji. This is a new tune today. You learned a new tune?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Very nice, Mataji. And I feel so happy seeing the whole family sitting. Please pay my obeisances to Mataji also. So nice, all of you are sitting and very nice, Mataji. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you.
Oh, Hare Krishna. So we can start, Ronnie Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu.
No. So, Leela classes, I have to do, I do screen share or should I open that thing on the internet? I can't hear you or mute.
We can screen share.
So, Hare Krishna, dear devotees. So, welcome to our evening session, Friday evening session on Prabhupada Lilamrit. So, we'll begin our class now. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharini Vishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshitarini Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Shri Prabhupada Ki Jai. So we finished हमने जो ये last section था we had finished introduction we had finished Ronnie Prabhu
No, Prabhu.
no
No.
oh I thought we had finished कहाँ पर हैं प्रभु जी
We are on this line, but material vision cannot comprehend Srila Prabhupada's activities. We have to start. He was truly a Mahatma. We have to start from now.
कौन सी लाइन में he was truly a Mahatma
He was truly a Mahatma.
oh. Hare Krishna. So I will do the screen sharing. तो हम लोग introduction में हैं अभी. So मैं introduction की आपसे screen share कर रहा हूँ. Where I can't see.
Do you want to try that audio adapter?
Oh, it didn't work, Prabhu.
We tried.
I tried.
Oh.
what should I do? I open the Kindle or I open the Vedabase?
We were reading from any of the thing you can open, Prabhuji. Like last time we were reading from Vedabase, and before that we were reading from Kindle.
You can read.
Yep.
हरे कृष्णा. So हम लोग इंट्रोडक्शन से पढ़ रहे हैं जहां से हमें लास्ट टाइम फिनिश किया था. So ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ से. This one. By material standards, it is extraordinary that a person of Srila Prabhupada's age could constantly travel, confront problems and opposition, and simultaneously produce volume after volume of translated Vedic literatures. But the material vision cannot comprehend Srila Prabhupada's activities. He was truly a Mahatma. As described by Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, Mahatmas are always working under my direction. So, we heard so many times how Prabhupada, from Shrutakirti Prabhu, we heard how he would travel and the devotees who were, what should I say, 1/3, जिनकी जो उम्र थी उनके 1/3 से भी कम उम्र थी, और वो young devotees also could not keep pace with Prabhupada's lifestyle, you know, on a daily basis. It was very, very difficult, and many of them, had problems just keeping pace with him. You know that he's going from one place to another, and immediately he starts, his schedule based upon the local time, irrespective of, whatever time maybe in the flight, maybe 2 hours or 15 hours, he will immediately start like that. And also, he was not only constantly traveling, but Prabhupada was also constantly preaching. हम लोग देखते हैं अपना कि हमारी 1 घंटे या 2 घंटे की क्लास के बाद ही हमारी क्या हालत होती है. So you can imagine he was constantly not even traveling but also preaching and also confronting problems. क्योंकि ISKCON की शुरू की स्टेज थी, there were so many issues, so many problems, legal issues, this issue, devotees falling down, so many issues, temple problem, egos problem, so many problems, and he was confronting them. And also opposition, he had opposition from his god brothers, he had opposition from, from many parts, he had opposition. And then apart from all that, he was also simultaneously producing volume after volume of translated Vedic literature. It was unbelievable. अगर आप कभी करना चाहें, आप लोग कर सकते हैं. I can give you the schedule. आप लोगों ने अब सुन भी लिया है, काफी लोगों ने, कि प्रभुपाद का शेड्यूल क्या था. तो आप कभी एक आध दिन ट्राई करके देखिएगा how it feels, to wake up at 1:30 and instead of translating, we can open Bhagavad Gita and try to read seriously. Seriously read करने की कोशिश करें कि okay कितना read कर सकते हैं. Then from 1:30 to 4:30 read, 1:30 to 5 o'clock read. कितने घंटे हो गए? 2.5, 3.5, 4. So around 3.5 hours read, then go for a walk, 2 hours, take somebody with you and preach the whole day, either chant or preach. Then come back, give a Bhagavatam class, then meet devotees, then have a small massage and a bath, then prasadam, then maybe a rest for half an hour, 45 minutes, then meet visitors, solve problems, write letters, wherever the problem is coming, and not a single letter he would miss. Any letter addressed to Prabhupada, and he will give a detailed answer to all their problems. He was telling what to use if the toothpaste is not available, or some some Westerners have got a stomach upset problem in India, so he was prescribing Ayurvedic medicines. If somebody was having a financial problem in a temple, they are behind some installments, he was giving them advice. You can imagine, like 80, 90 temples, 100 temples, he's giving advice. Each one is writing to him, he's replying. And then light prasadam around maybe early evening, late evening, and then sleep for maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, then get up again at 1:30 and then start translating again. It is not humanly possible. Cannot do even one day. So you can imagine all that, and then traveling, constant traveling. So it is not one cannot comprehend how one can do this. So all that one is able to do if one has a solid connection with Krishna, and one is a lover of God, and one want to do everything for his beloved. That is a mood. I want to do everything. So that is a mood, and in that mood, there is no bhook pyas, there is nothing. Only thing is that how I can serve Krishna. Like, so that's why they are writing that आगे बढ़ते हैं, but material vision cannot comprehend Srila Prabhupada's activities. He was truly a Mahatma, and Mahatmas are always working under the direction of my internal energy. What is this shloka? ये हम बहुत बार करते हैं shloka. Who will tell? Raise your hand. Who is this shloka? कि Mahatmas are always working under my direct energy. I can't see. Okay. Who has raised the hand? Ronnie Bro, I can't see because of the screen share.
Anita Mataji.
Okay, yes, go ahead, Anita Mataji.
Prabhuji, it's 9.13, I think.
Yes,
Mahatmana
yes.
Mampartha.
Yes.
I don't remember full verse.
Okay, you remember the number of the verse 9.13. Okay, who else will tell me? Who's the other one? Raise hand.
I think either Ashok Prabhu or Asha Mataji.
Yes, Ashok Prabhu, Asha Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी,
हरे
मुझे भी
कृष्ण।
नंबर श्लोक पूरा याद नहीं है.
बोलिए माताजी, क्या याद नहीं है?
प्रभु जी श्लोक याद नहीं है, बट वो वर्स नंबर याद था 9.13.
ओके, सो इसका जो श्लोक नंबर है, इट इज वेरी गुड कि चलो हमें सबको श्लोक नंबर याद है. भगवद गीता का 9.13 है, बट इसका ये बड़ी सिंपल सी लाइन है, जो पहली वाली लाइन है, महात्मा नाम सुमाम पार्था देवीम प्राकृतिम आश्रिता. ये आपको लाइन हमेशा याद रखनी है इस श्लोक की, क्योंकि ये श्लोक बताता है कि कैसे जो भगवान के भक्त हैं, दे आर अंडर द लोटस फीट ऑफ श्रीमती राधा रानी और द इंटरनल एनर्जी ऑफ द लॉर्ड. तो ये बहुत जरूरी श्लोक है. तो इसकी सिर्फ पहली लाइन जो आप याद कर सकते हैं, महात्मा नाम सुमाम पार्था देवीम प्राकृतिम आश्रिता भजन्ति अनन्य मनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिम अव्ययम. सो सो जो लोग भगवान की भक्ति करते हैं, क्या है, वो भगवान की देवी प्रकृति के संरक्षण में है, और वो क्या करते हैं, वो पूर्णतः भगवान की भक्ति में निमग्न है. पूर्णतः, that is their external symptom, because heart we can't see. और वो क्यों है? Because they know me as the ज्ञात्वा भूता आदिम अव्ययम. So they know him as Adi, from where everything has come, and Avinashi भगवान के रूप में उनको जानते हैं, because they know him. Actually, simply by knowing him, the result is this only. Problem is we don't know him. This is the issue. So my request to all of you is कि जो इसका जो पहली लाइन है, वो हमेशा याद रखिए, महात्मा नाम सुमाम पार्था देवीम प्राकृतिम आश्रिता. How one is under the shelter of the internal energy of the Lord, like that. Okay. So आगे बढ़ते हैं. Thank you Mataji. So आगे बढ़ते हैं. In spreading Krishna consciousness, Srila Prabhupada was far from merely a religious zealot trying to increase his sect. His writing, traveling, and preaching were done in pure devotion to Lord Krishna and were therefore transcendental. So anything which we do, anything which is done which is not contaminated by karma and jnana is pure devotional service. It doesn't have any other motive than to please Krishna. Who will tell me this verse? What is this verse? Anything which is not contaminated by jnana and karma and only done to please Krishna. That is pure devotional service. What is that verse, Ronnie Prabhu?
Prabhu, yad kurusi yad asnani yad juhus or manmana bhava madbhakta. No, not even that.
It is not a Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita का verse नहीं है. Yes, who else is there? Yes, Bhuvan Moni Mata ji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी. यस प्रभु जी.
कौन सा है ये श्लोक जिसमें कहते हैं कि अगर उसमें कर्म और ज्ञान ना मिला हो और केवल भगवान की प्रसन्नता के लिए किया जाए, so that is pure devotional service.
मुझे भी नहीं याद प्रभु जी.
अन्याभिलाषिता शून्यम ज्ञान कर्मादि अनावृतम.
Yes, Smita Mata ji. Yes. So now आपको याद आया वर्स ये? भुवन मोनी माता जी आपको याद आया?
हाँ, पर मुझे ये वर्स याद नहीं है प्रभु जी.
Okay. किसको याद है ये वर्स? Do you remember, Ronnie Prabhu, this verse? Anyavilashita Shunya. क्या नाम?
First two lines. First two lines.
बोलिए कौन सी दो लाइनें याद हैं आपको?
प्रभु अन्य अभिलाषिता शून्यम ज्ञान. One line.
अन्याभिलाषिता शून्य. बोलिए.
ज्ञान कर्मादि सर्वस्व.
ज्ञान कर्मादि अनावृतम.
अनावृतम.
और
आगे नहीं याद.
अनुकूलेन कृष्णानु.
अनुकूलेन कृष्ण. बोलिए अनीता माता जी बोलिए.
अन्याभिलाषिता शून्यम जन्म कर्मादि अनावृतम.
जन्म नहीं है माता जी, ज्ञान.
हाँ सॉरी, ज्ञान कर्मादि अनावृतम. अनुकूलेन कृष्णानु शीलनम भक्ति उत्तमम.
बोलिए रानी प्रभु. रिपीट. अन्याभिलाषिता शून्यम ज्ञान कर्मादि अनावृतम. Anyavilashita Shunya means I don't have any other desire and it is not contaminated by jnana and karma. Anything jnana yoga or karma yoga, it is not contaminated. Why? It is anukulena Krishna. Shilanam bhakti. It is done only, favorably done to please Krishna. So what Prabhupada is doing here is also same. So that is why it is what should we say? It is transcendental. ये पढ़ा हमने कि Srila Prabhupada was far from merely a religious zealot trying to increase his sect. His writing, traveling, and preaching were done in pure devotion to Krishna. Why? Because he had no motive of his own. His only aim was to please Krishna favorably, like this. And therefore, all his activities were transcendental. They were divya. Because they are above the modes of material nature and he is in the Shuddha Sthana, serving Krishna. It was Krishna himself, Srila Prabhupada saw, who was bringing the results. Ab kya hai? Who was bringing the result? Krishna. Why? Because they can see, the pure devotee can see Krishna's hand in everything. Not that what I am thinking is coming is right, or my plans are fructifying, or what I am thinking is happening good, or I must be doing something good. Not like that. Rather, they see everything is done by Krishna. So Lord Chaitanya has stated, "Prithvi te ache yat nagradi gram sarvatra prachar hoy be mora naam." In every town and village, the chanting of my name will be heard. ये भी बहुत अच्छा श्लोक है, इसको भी याद करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये चैतन्य महाप्रभु की भविष्यवाणी है, जिस भविष्यवाणी को जो उनके जो सेनापति भक्त हैं श्रील प्रभुपाद उन्होंने पूरा किया. These words directly spoken by Lord Chaitanya are certainly true. The Lord's prediction must come to pass. Many Gaudiya Vaishnavas, however, even as recently as the disciples of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, consider the Lord's prediction to be problematic. Why it was problematic? Because they couldn't understand how it can be true कि जहाँ पर भारतवर्ष के अंदर ही लोग भगवान की सेवा नहीं करते हैं और भगवान के और कर्म कांडों में लगे हैं, तो जब यही नहीं हो पा रहा है तो कैसे सोच सकते हैं कि विश्व के प्रत्येक देश में और प्रत्येक नगर में और प्रत्येक गांव में भगवान का नाम का गुणगान होगा और भगवान की सेवा की जाएगी. It was beyond, a material vision, but one who has spiritual vision, one who has faith in the words of the Lord. For them, it is Satyavachan, like this. So for some, it may be problematic, but for Prabhupada, it was not problematic. The name of Lord Chaitanya in every town and village, should this be taken allegorically? उनको लगता था कि शायद इसका कोई simple meaning हो, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि ये कैसे possible है. Certainly the Americans, the Europeans, the Africans, the Polynesians, the Mongolians, the uncultured Malaysians outside of India could never become Vaishnavas. Thus, Lord Chaitanya's words had seemed an enigmatic topic for speculation. Because जब हम शास्त्रों में या भगवान के वचनों पे यकीन नहीं करेंगे, what we are under speculation. Srila Prabhupada, however, was under orders from his spiritual master, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, to preach Krishna consciousness beyond India. And alone in 1965, he took the great step and left India, crossed the Atlantic, and began International Society for Krishna Consciousness in New York City. Although some of Prabhupada's godbrothers had gone to England some 30 years before, they had failed to establish anything and had even concluded that to give Krishna consciousness to the Western people was not possible. They came back only, I think they made one devotee, I think one lady, I don't remember, I think it was a lady, they made a devotee, and then they came back saying, it is not possible to convert these people into, Western people into Krishna consciousness. They cannot follow. They came back. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur had sent them after great money and all. You can imagine in that time sending somebody to London, and they came back saying it is not possible to convert them into Krishna Vaishnavism. But Srila Prabhupada, देखिए क्या लिख रहे हैं? But Srila Prabhupada, fulfilling Lord Chaitanya's prediction, traveled and employed his disciples in traveling to open centers in New York City, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Boston, Montreal, Buffalo, Seattle. He also sent his disciples abroad to London and other countries, and they succeeded where Prabhupada's godbrothers had failed. So whereas Prabhupada's great scholars, godbrothers, they failed, then Prabhupada's what should I say, neophyte devotees who had no clue, they succeeded. We will discuss when this comes, we'll discuss why they failed and why they succeeded. As the present volume explains, Srila Prabhupada traveled not only to enlist new devotees and establish Krishna consciousness in new places around the world, but also to maintain what he had already begun. तो जो सन्यासी लोग हैं वो भी इसीलिए इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैवल करते हैं, इसके भी यही दो रीजन रहते हैं. एक कि भगवान के नाम का प्रचार करना, और दूसरा क्या है कि जो भक्त हैं उनको हमेशा उनके विजिट से, उनके आगमन से they feel nourished, spiritually nourished, so they don't become spiritually weak. So that is how Prabhupada also did. Had he not continued to travel to each temple, instructing his disciples, observing their progress, correcting their mistakes, raising the standard of their Krishna consciousness, the devotees would not have been able to continue. You can imagine why Prabhupada had to travel 14 times around the world in 10 years. Why he was traveling constantly? Because constantly he was trying to enthuse devotees instruct them, give them, see how they are progressing in Krishna consciousness. Those who are close, correct what they are doing mistakes in their chanting, in the deity worship, in the devotee care, and also constantly raising their standards in Krishna consciousness. So अगर वो उन्होंने ये सब ना किया होता, इतना ट्रैवल इतना सब ना करते, तो किसी भी तरह से ये पॉसिबल नहीं था कि ये सारा जब प्रभुपाद ने शरीर छोड़ा तो उस वक्त 108 टेम्पल बन चुके थे और जिनमें से बहुत सारे टेम्पल्स थे, they were leaders in, some were leader in book distribution, some were extremely good in deity worship, some had extremely good devotee, within the temple, fired up brahmacharis. So each one of them had unique points, So Prabhupada cultivated them so very nicely, so that they would continue once Prabhupada leave the world. That is what he wanted, so that the जो पौधा है वो इतना बड़ा हो जाए कि प्रभुपाद के जाने के बाद वो अपने आप बड़ा हो सके, और वो हुआ भी ऐसे. So we can imagine कि हमारा जो कृतज्ञता है, हमारा जो ग्रेटिट्यूड है प्रभुपाद की तरफ, कितना ज्यादा होना चाहिए. That is 73-74-year-old man who had heart attacks, while going, and another heart attack in 1967, and then he's traveling so much. You can imagine that for whom he traveled. किसके लिए उन्होंने इतना travel किया? For us, so that we will have this wonderful association and society called International Society for Krishna Consciousness. ताकि वो पेड़, वो पौधा इतना बड़ा हो सके और इतना मजबूत रह जाए कि उनके जाने के बाद वो मुरझाए ना, बल्कि चलता रहे. इसीलिए हम सब लोगों का ये बल्कि परम कर्तव्य है कि हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं कि हमारा प्रभुपाद के साथ बड़ा ही क्या कह सकते हैं, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग संबंध होना चाहिए, बिकॉज वो रूट है. ही इज द रूट. So if you're connected with the root, we will never be malnourished. We will always be healthy. So very important to. और प्रभुपाद के साथ कैसे कनेक्ट रह सकते हैं? हाथ खड़े करिए, मुझे बताइए. How we can be connected through Prabhupada? Yes, Asha Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्णा.
प्रभु जी, हम उनकी बुक रीड करके, लेक्चर सुन के, और जो उन्होंने इंस्ट्रक्शन दी हैं उसको दी हैं, हमसे कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं.
ओके. और बताइए, माता जी ने बोला बुक्स पढ़ के, उनके लेक्चर सुन के हम कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. और बताइए.
प्रीचिंग आल्सो, प्रीचिंग करके.
By preaching also, okay. Yes, Amit Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Two things. One is following the instructions given by the Prabhupada, and second, following the process given by the Prabhupada.
Okay, following the process given by Prabhupada. Yes, Shivani Mataji.
And distributing books.
Distributing books. Okay. Okay. Yes, because by book distribution is very dear to Prabhupada. तो अगर हम उनकी पुस्तकों का वितरण करते हैं, then it pleases him. Okay, thank you, Mataji.
Prabhuji, by
Yes.
following his instructions.
By following his instructions given in his books. Yes, thank you. Yes, Nidhi Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Hare Krishna. Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, so I also wanted to say that by following the regulative principles and also the books distribution.
Yes, very good. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Neha Mataji. Neha Kumra Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. I think by carrying on his mission, the mission that was most dear to him, of fulfilling Lord Chaitanya's prophecy that one day Harinam Sankirtan will be held in every corner of the world. So maybe that way we can please Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna.
Yes. Preaching is a service. where we can please our spiritual master, our Acharya, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna, the whole line till Radharani, everybody is pleased by the preaching seva. Yes, Megha Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
Hare Krishna.
हम प्रभुपाद जी, हम श्रील प्रभुपाद जी के बारे में ज्यादा से ज्यादा सुन के भी हम उनसे कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं और उनसे और उनके मिशन को आगे बढ़ा के।
थैंक यू माता जी। ये आंसर मैं सोच रहा था कौन देगा, क्योंकि इसीलिए हम लीलामृत पढ़ रहे हैं। जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि अगर कृष्ण से प्यार करना है तो आप भागवतम पढ़िए, भगवत गीता पढ़िए और कृष्णा बुक पढ़िए। तो इसीलिए इसी तरह से अगर हम प्रभुपाद के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं और उनके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो देन वी हैव टू रीड अबाउट हिम। सो व्हेन वी रीड अबाउट हिम लाइक वी आर डूइंग नाउ एवरी फ्राइडे, हमारी प्रभुपाद लीलामृत पे क्लास होती है, देन यू नो देन वी मेक अ स्ट्रॉन्गर कनेक्शन। बल्कि मैं हर बार देखता हूँ कि हमारी भगवत गीता में लोग ज्यादा होते हैं, प्रभुपाद लीलामृत में हमारे नंबर कम हो जाते हैं। बट इट इज अगर आप देखेंगे बाद में ये जो कम नंबर वाले हैं लीलामृत पढ़ के इनकी गाड़ी चल पड़ेगी, और जो नहीं आते हैं लीलामृत में दे विल फाइंड, बिकॉज द connection means also blessings, connection also means mercy. So it is a matter of sambandh. Everything is a matter of sambandh. So so if we are attached with Bhagavad Gita, then we should also attach with one who has made Bhagavad Gita so potent by his purpose. One who's so dear to Krishna that he made him the instrument. Okay, you write and I will put my potency, my chit shakti in your writing, and you write and I will make you like this. So then we can understand that personality, how much potency that personality has, and how much that unique personality suffered for us to set example. What is the meaning of bhakti? Thank you, Mataji. Yes, Anupama Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। उनका प्रणाम मंत्र जो है उसको रिसाइट करके भी हम मतलब उनसे अटैच्ड हो सकते हैं।
जहां भी हम जाते हैं, जब भी हम डीटीज के दर्शन करते हैं, मंदिर जाते हैं, प्रभुपाद के दर्शन करते हैं, कहीं भी जाते हैं, द फर्स्ट थिंग जब हम बैठते हैं नीचे, व्हाट वी डू, वी रिसाइट हिज प्रणाम मंत्र। हु विल टेल मी व्हाई वी रिसाइट हिज प्रणाम मंत्र? भगवान के मंदिर जाते हैं और दंडवत कर रहे हैं, तो कृष्ण का प्रणाम मंत्र से पहले why we chant Prabhupada Pranam Mantra or our Guru Maharaj Pranam Mantra or at least Prabhupada Pranam Mantra? क्यों chant करते हैं? Yes, Ronnie Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu, because our sambandh with Krishna is via Prabhupada, via the succession. We can't approach Krishna independently, so we introduce ourselves via him, via our Guru Maharaj, via Srila Prabhupada, by the whole disciple succession.
Okay. Yes, Megha Mataji.
प्रभु जी, उनका प्रणति मंत्र बोल के हम उनकी मर्सी को गैट कर सकते हैं और उनकी मर्सी के थ्रू हम कृष्णा से कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं।
Okay. Yes, Neha Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा।
प्रभु जी, हम इसलिए करते हैं ताकि हम उनसे प्रेयर कर सकें कि अगर हम नाम जाप कर रहे हैं या अगर हम रीडिंग कर रहे हैं तो उससे हमारे अंडरस्टैंडिंग में हमें हेल्प करें ज्यादा से ज्यादा, और हमारा कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ाए नाम जाप में।
Okay. Yes, Amit Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Guruji. Guruji, for example, if I want to meet the Prime Minister or Chief Minister, if
I can't hear you.
If I want to meet a Prime Minister or the Chief Minister, and if I directly go to their office, it is difficult to approach them. But if we know somebody who is in contact with the Chief Minister, then it is easy to approach. Similarly, if we want to approach the Krishna, and if we approach through our Parampara Guru and Prabhupada, then it will be easy to connect with.
Okay. Yes, Neha Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, I'm just attempting. I think in the Pranam Mantra we refer to the lotus feet of the spiritual master. So when we refer to the lotus feet of spiritual master, we are basically seeking his mercy and connecting to the line of acharyas through which Krishna's mercy can reach us. So I think, like many people said, Hare Krishna.
So yes, Anupama Mataji.
Prabhuji, because Prabhupada ji is the first and foremost Shiksha Guru, preeminent Shiksha teacher.
Okay, okay. Yes. Neha
Prabhuji,
Mataji?
Anji, Prabhuji, also we are glorifying our Guru, Srila Prabhupada. So through the pranam mantra.
So सबके आंसर ठीक है, बट जो सटीक आंसर है वो है जो रॉनी प्रभु ने दिया था, और जिसका उदाहरण जो है उसकी एनालॉजी अमित प्रभु ने दी कि when we approach Krishna, that we don't approach because we have no direct relationship. We have a relationship because he's our परमपिता है, बट उसका कोई हमारे साथ कनेक्शन नहीं है इन प्रेजेंट हमारी कॉन्शियसनेस में. तो वो जो संबंध है, वो जो संबंध बना रहे हैं हमारा, वो प्रभुपाद बनाते हैं. Because he's a founder acharya, he has made that relationship. और जैसे माता जी ने बोला, इस preeminent शिक्षा गुरु, so he is our connection to Krishna, like this. So wherever we do worship, whatever we do, we always go via Guru, or those who don't have a spiritual master or not aspiring from one, then from Prabhupada. Everything is there. But even though we say spiritual master pranam mantra, still it should better to say Prabhupada pranam mantra also, because that is our Guru and our Acharya, and then Krishna, like this. So our sambandh, our relationship is via Prabhupada, like this. So this is the जो आप सब लोगों ने बोला वो भी ठीक है आंसर, but the sharp answer is this only, our sambandh is via Prabhupada. He has made it for us. So thank you so much. So हम आगे पढ़ते हैं. Repeatedly, Prabhupada had to go around the world. Srila Prabhupada, by his faith in Krishna, by his selfless dedication to the order of his spiritual master, and by the blessings of Lord Chaitanya, did what no one else could have done. As Chaitanya Charitamrita states, Krishna Shakti Vina Nahi Tar Pravartan. ये भी लाइन याद करके रखिए. कृष्ण शक्ति बिना नाहे तार परिवर्तन. So though this line has been spoken to Mahaprabhu, but it is very true for Prabhupada also. Krishna Shakti Bina Nahe Tar. That unless one is empowered by Krishna himself, only one who's empowered by Lord Krishna can actually spread the chanting of Hare Krishna around the world. So one cannot become a Jagat Guru without Krishna's mercy. Or so that means one is a empowered. So what it is mean? One is empowered. It means one is a. What do we say if somebody is empowered? What do we call him? Yes, Neha Mataji.
They can Hare Krishna Prabhuji, they can be considered an authority, or they can make some decisions or exercise power. Hare Krishna.
Okay. Yes, that is correct. They can be considered an authority, but there is a particular term for what we call somebody who's empowered by Krishna, whom we call an empowered soul. Anita Mataji, किसको बोलते हैं empowered soul?
Shakta Vesh Avatar.
Yes, it is called Shakta Vesh Avatar. Like that. So like Lord Parshuram, Shakta Vesh Avatar. He's a Jiva Tattva, but he was empowered by the Lord. Like this, Shakta Vesh Avatar. So somebody who's especially empowered by Krishna, only he can. This says only he can reach. This volume is an account of years of struggle.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, what is meaning of Saptavesh Avatar?
That somebody is empowered. Somebody is empowered. He's a Shakti of Krishna. That it is Krishna's Chik Shakti, which is Avesh in that soul. He's empowered him.
Okay,
in simple English, he's empowered for a particular purpose. Krishna has empowered him. Okay, so he can do extraordinary things.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Can we say it as the representative of Krishna?
Representative तो माता जी सारे ही हैं जो गुरु हैं. All the gurus are representative of Krishna. They are all bona fide guru. Within ISKCON, outside जितने वैष्णव हैं, संप्रदाय हैं, they are all representative of Krishna. But some are empowered souls, you know. Like that.
Okay.
So they are specially empowered for some particular task. Like this. Okay. This volume is an account of years of struggle and ultimate fulfillment in Srila Prabhupada's life, and invite the reader to relish them. Here is a rags to riches story of one who started alone with nothing, but whose movement, writing, and personal life created an astounding and permanent impression on the world. So इसलिए जो भक्त लोग हैं वो बोलते हैं कि one should not be a shooting star, or should be one rising moon, because when a shooting star goes, आप देखते हैं shooting star, what happens in the night को देखते हैं, it looks very nice and bright, but it goes up and then it's gone. So one should not be a shooting star. That we rise in Krishna consciousness very fast, but as fast as we grow, then after some time, nobody knows where we are. Rather, one should be a rising moon, because the moon ऊपर उठता है, the waxing moon goes up and up. It can brighten the whole world. One moon. इसीलिए बोलते हैं, it is better to have one qualified disciples than millions of unqualified followers. Because one empowered personality can liberate the whole world. So आगे बढ़ते हैं. By following Srila Prabhupada through these times, we gain an understanding of his exalted and humble life. So देखिए दोनों चीजें हैं. Your life is exalted as well as he always remain humble. I am unable to describe Srila Prabhupada fully. I have therefore composed an invocation, praying that I be permitted to tell this story purely from the transcendental viewpoint. Otherwise, it would be ruined and incomprehensible. देखिए, क्योंकि आप एक भगवत की, एक डिवोटी की, एक महाभागवत का आप जीवनी लिख रहे हैं, तो अगर आप उसको ठीक से ट्रांसजेंडर विजन से नहीं दिखाएंगे, then saying it will be ruined and incomprehensible. Why incomprehensible? Because from mundane eyes we cannot understand what is being done, why he is suffering, why he is at bad health, what all he is doing. Without a transcendental vision, it is incomprehensible. And when properly told, the life of the pure devotee brings the greatest joy and benefit to the hearers. So, अगर गलत बताई तो सब कह रहे हैं नष्ट हो जाएगा, और अगर ठीक बताते हैं तो जो श्रोता हैं उनको ना केवल आनंद मिलता है, बल्कि it is very spiritually beneficial, because we feel spiritually, what should we say, inclined to like that person. We will, what should I say, also we as you fall in love with a person who's a Mahabhagavat, so the result will be that we will also make a very huge spiritual progress, just because our relationship with such an exalted acharya becomes more solidified. So at any level, it will be spiritually beneficial to us. So now we will read the invocation. Invocation is like Mangalacharan. So it is an invocation of the book. According to Krishnadas Kaviraj, an invocation involves offering obeisances, defining objective, and bestowing benediction. क्या है हमने पढ़ा? मंगलाचरण क्या, invocation क्या है उसमें? Offering obeisances to the seniors, to the parampara, defining the objective, what I am doing, about what is my goal, and bestowing benediction, Shrutifal. What will be? There is a Shrutifal also given in usually what will be spiritually beneficial for the reader. So this is being given, and this I want to give you as a homework also. I don't know how busy all of you are. You can take a book, और उसके invocation में से you can find what is the, where are we offering obeisances, what is the objective of that book, and what is the benediction. जो भगवद गीता की इंट्रोडक्शन है वो तो बहुत बड़ी है. Can you find, try to find, all of you, please try to find, read Krishna book's introduction. It is not very long, just few pages, not very long. Or try to find and tell me when we come next Friday. Please tell what was the what were these three things: offering obeisances, defining the objective, what is the objective of the book, and what is the benediction, what is the Shruti form. करेंगे? हाँ?
Yes,
So
Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji, try. We'll try.
ठीक है मैम. Don't try, pray and try.
Okay, Prabhuji.
पहले प्रार्थना करिए और फिर ट्राई करिए और ढूंढिए कि कृष्णा बुक के अंदर. अगले फ्राइडे हम करेंगे.
तो मुझे एक बार और बता दीजिए क्या क्या करना है.
हाँ, क्या करना है माता जी?
एक बार और बता दीजिए हिंदी में क्या क्या करना है.
हिंदी में क्या करना है कि एक पहले वो कैसे अपने जो पूर्ववर्ती आचार्य हैं उनको वो प्रणाम कर रहे हैं, जो गुरु परंपरा है उनको प्रणाम कर रहे हैं. और दूसरा क्या है कि वो जो बुक है वो बुक का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, किस लिए लिखी गई है बुक, उसका पर्पस क्या है बुक लिखने का. और तीसरा क्या है, श्रुति फल क्या है, कि अगर ये बुक को पढ़ के क्या होगा, क्या हो सकता है बुक को पढ़ के. तो ये कृष्णा बुक का जो इंट्रोडक्शन है वो पढ़िए और उसमें से पढ़ के और फिर अगले फ्राइडे बताइए.
ठीक है. Okay.
So आगे बढ़ते हैं. I offer my respectful obeisance. अब देखिए अब ये कर रहे हैं, देखिए अब देख रहे हैं. हरे कृष्णा. So अब देख रहे हैं, अब जैसे ये लिखा अब पहला उनका शुरू हो गया offering obeisances. अब वो क्या कर रहे हैं? I offer my respectful obeisances to my eternal spiritual master, His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, whose service is my life and soul. So this he is offering obeisances. It is for his pleasure that I offer Srila Prabhupada Lilamrit as an act of devotional service. कितना सुंदर लिख रहे हैं देखिए. He has blessed the entire world with Krishna consciousness, and he is therefore the best friend of all people and all the living entities. Because he is a Jagat Guru, not just a title Jagat Guru, but in practice a Jagat Guru. He is a spiritual master for the whole world. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sent Srila Prabhupada for mass liberation. Not that bring the pure devotees. No. He said bring everybody. He is the most powerful Acharya, delivering pure love of God. And he is delivering the message of Lord Chaitanya strictly in disciplic succession. No one has ever spread Krishna consciousness as widely as he. तो वही सेम है लाइन.
ऑल्टर बंद करते हैं
कि जैसे हमने लिखा है ये हमने पढ़ा था श्लोक, कृष्ण शक्ति बिना नाही तार परवर्ता. So why he is powerful? Because he is empowered by Krishna. And ये देखिए जब मैं पढ़ रहा था इस श्लोक को तो उसके अगले श्लोक में प्रभुपाद लिखते हैं कि to explain how position of a acharya. So can you read, Ronnie Prabhu? You can read this note.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay. So मैं पढ़ता हूँ इसको. Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur explains that unless one is directly empowered by the causeless mercy of Krishna, one cannot become a spiritual master of the entire world, Jagat Guru. One cannot become an acharya simply by mental speculation. The true acharya presents Krishna to everyone by preaching the holy name of the Lord throughout the world. Thus, the conditioned souls, purified by chanting the holy name, are liberated from the blazing fire of material existence. Sansara dava nala leader loka. Tranaya karunya dhana dhanatam. Praptasya kalyana gunar navasya vande guru Shri Charnaravinda. In this way, spiritual benefit grows increasingly full, like the waxing moon in the sky. The true Acharya, the spiritual master of the entire world, must be considered an incarnation of Krishna's mercy. क्या बोलते हैं प्रभुपाद को? हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं His divine grace. हाँ? और हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? कृष्ण कृपा मूर्ति. Krishna Kripa Murti. He is the personification of Krishna's causeless mercy. So English में इतना ज़्यादा आता नहीं, His divine grace, like that. But Hindi कृष्ण कृपा मूर्ति. तो कृष्ण जो कृपा है, उसकी जो personification है, that is Prabhupada. So ये प्रभुपाद जो है, ये चैतन्य चरितामृत में लिखा है, अंत्य 7:12 के परपर्ट के अंदर प्रभुपाद लिखते हैं. देखिए कैसे, और वो अपने आप को कोट नहीं कर रहे हैं, बल्कि वो कोट जो है भक्तिसिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर कोट कर रहे हैं. I am praying that he will allow me to surmount the difficulties involved in presenting his biography, and that he will be pleased with the result. So what all we want to do with our work, we want to simply please our special master or acharya. वो जो श्लोक है जो हमने पढ़ा था, अन्य विलासिता, कौन बोलेगा उस श्लोक को? Other than Ronnie Prabhu की दो तो so I'll ask who will tell the shloka? Yes, Asha Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्णा.
अन्य अभिलाषिता शून्यम ज्ञान कर्मा विनाव्रतम अनुकूलेन्य कृष्णानु शीलनम भक्ति उत्तमम.
Very good. Very nice. So ये श्लोक बिल्कुल ये भक्ति रसामृत से श्लोक है. ये इसका पूरा हमें कंठस्थ होना चाहिए. अगर कोई पूछे कि शुद्ध भक्ति क्या होती है, so this is one of the main definitions from Shastra. This is the. So thank you so much, Mataji. So our whole endeavor should be just to please our acharya and our guru. और अगर हम इस मूड से अगर हम भक्ति करते हैं, तो we can make very fast progress, because we are completely dependent upon them, and we are just trying to please them. We have no other desire in our heart than to please them. No personal ambition, no क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मान प्रतिष्ठा सम्मान, nothing we want, nothing, just to please him. If he is happy, everything is fine, like that. Then we can make very fast progress in Krishna consciousness. Because why? Because we can become a good instrument in Acharya's hand. Because they can flow, they can pass the Chit Shakti which is passing through their heart. They can you can say guide it through our heart, because they find it's a good via medium, who is not going to speak on his own, but he's willing to let Guru Parampara message pass through. No false ego. I am convinced that by his good wishes, this work can be successful, and that if he is not pleased, I am powerless to write anything of value. So he is completely dependent upon Srila Prabhupada's mercy. By offering obeisances to my spiritual master, I am offering of respects to all the other acharyas in the disciple succession, to Srila Prabhupada's Guru, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, to his Guru, and so on to the 6 Goswamis, Lord Chaitanya and Lord Krishna himself. So देखिए, जब हम पढ़ रहे थे कि जब भी हम आचार्य को प्रणाम करते हैं, then it is again like the root, So when we do this, then automatically we are offering pranams to, his predecessor acharya, and then their guru and their acharya, and this whole thing is passed on till the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or even Krishna. only by the grace of Srila Prabhupada can I bow down in the temple, prostrate at the lotus feet of God Nitai, Krishna Balram, and Radha Shyam Sundar and have access to their mercy. देखिए, तो जब हम भगवान के आगे, घर में भी जब हम ठाकुर जी के आगे प्रणाम करते हैं, मंदिर में जाते हैं, कहीं भी जाते हैं, we should know that all this is happening only because of the effort of one person, that is Srila Prabhupada. He has made this whole structure. He made the whole Krishna consciousness known all over the world. By his mercy, we have this wonderful ISKCON society, and more than that, the association of devotees. Otherwise, there were no society means no association. Everybody individual, but by his farsightedness, by his vision, we have all these things available to us. One objective of Srila Prabhupada Leela is to present the life and teachings of Srila Prabhupada in the transcendental perspective, never portraying Srila Prabhupada as an ordinary man, subject to the modes of nature. Srila Prabhupada was a divinely empowered, pure devotee. He was sent to this world by the Supreme Lord just to spread Krishna conscious movement to people of all nations, races and classes and creeds, and thus to offer everyone opportunity to become a pure devotee and go back to Godhead. So again, like I'm saying, that he's Acharya for mass liberation. He has not come to take few people with him. Like other Acharyas have been there. And the qualified or very qualified devotees, they have taken them back to Godhead. But he has come to take everybody. एक होता है कि रोल्स रॉयस आई और जो आदमी उस रोल्स रॉयस से बैठने के लायक है या मर्सिडीज में वही जाके जाए. एक है कि एक आदमी बस लेकर आया है पूरी की भर जाओ अंदर सारे के सारे आ जाओ, जिसको आना है आ जाओ. बस क्या बल्कि रेलगाड़ी लेकर आए हैं, ट्रेन कि भर जाओ पूरी की पूरी ट्रेन के अंदर, and everybody and anybody who can fit in and stay there can go back. So he is the Acharya for mass liberation, not for few. Another objective of this work is to attract the leaders and influential members of society to appreciate and love Srila Prabhupada. So like when Guru Maharaj, he made that video, that tele-serial, Abhay Charan. And then that day one devotee was sharing how once Guru Maharaj picked up a book called the Who's Who. और जब उन्होंने Who's Who पढ़ी, and he found in that Who's Who book, that it's a Western book, और उसमें क्या है कि जितने भी मेन बड़ी पर्सनैलिटीज रही हैं वर्ल्ड की, वो सारी की सारी मेंशन होती हैं. सो जब उन्होंने देखा कि इस किताब के अंदर उन्होंने ढूंढा कि प्रभुपाद कहाँ है, नहीं मिला, then Maharaj thought that I must do something to make him known to the whole world. And then Maharaj made that TV series Abhay Charan, which millions of people in India watched, because that is a desire that he must be known. So this biography must be honest, factual, and correct in transcendental knowledge, and it must captivate and please the reader, because it is spiritual. So it will be beneficial for all. It will be Shubda for everybody. It will bring auspiciousness. Srila Prabhupada Leela Amrit must enlighten and please and also move the reader to inquire into the writings of Srila Prabhupada. My ultimate objective is that the reader be further moved to take up the service to His divine grace, Srila Prabhupada. That is his objective, and we also pray to his lotus feet that by reading it, our also goal, or at least we have a desire that we be eternally engaged in the service of His divine grace, Srila Prabhupada. So it's already 8:30. We'll finish this class today. Couple of hands can come up if they want to share कि जो आज हमने सुना है, what touched our heart. Can few of you come up and share what touched our heart? अभी हमने 1 घंटा हमने लीलामृत पढ़ी, क्या ऐसा लगा हमारे दिल को जो छुआ? Can somebody come forward and share? Yes, Neha Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, the fact that Srila Prabhupada's energy, even at the age that he started this movement, could not be matched by his much younger disciples. So the fact that he had such a strong faith in fulfilling the prophecy of his of Lord Chaitanya himself, and so much faith, so much strength derived from Lord Krishna himself, like you said that he was Shakti Avesh Avatara. So I found that very interesting. Hare Krishna.
Anybody else want to share what touched our heart by hearing Prabhupada Leelamrit today?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Rani Prabhu.
Prabhu, like we read that he traveled all over the world, like checking the devotees also about their raising the standards of Krishna consciousness, correcting their mistakes and everything. So along with the mission to preach, and so still doing his activities of translation all over the day. So, and very wonderful to read that, and like raising the standard of Krishna consciousness, like nudging everybody to progress. So that's what I was thinking, that that's what also happens with me, that if not nudged, then we would be just be there only, not progressing. Without that, it will not be possible. The other thing was that that by offering obeisances to our spiritual master or to Srila Prabhupada, we are offering obeisances to the whole disciple succession, to all of the acharyas. So that was also a very nice point that it touched.
Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you so much. Yes, Asha Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dhansalam. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes, Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji, 2 points Prabhuji I would like to share. If we want to progress in Krishna consciousness, then we must have a solid or good connection with our spiritual master and acharyas. And second point, we must always try to glorify our spiritual master and acharyas.
Okay. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Yes, Shivani Mata.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Yes, I want to share 2 things. First, Srila Prabhupada का इतना hectic schedule था, still he was replying to each and every letter and he was associating personally. तो मतलब बहुत humble level पे and बहुत like one-to-one interaction और बहुत अपनेपन से सबको reply भी करते थे. So that thing touched my heart. And second thing is मतलब अभी हम प्रणाम मंत्र बोलते हैं तो हम ऐसे प्रणाम मंत्र मतलब प्रणाम मंत्र बोल देते हैं और उसके बाद we just sing prayers to Shri Krishna Chaitanya and like and महामंत्र, but उसका मीनिंग आज पता चला है कि प्रणाम मंत्र क्यों बोलते हैं. We take permission from Srila Prabhupada so that we can bow down before Shri Krishna Chaitanya and Krishna Ji. Thank you. Prabhuji, you are on mute.
I'm sorry. और नेहा माता जी ने लिखा है चैट के ऊपर, only one thing Prabhuji, I adore Srila Prabhupada, my feelings for him are full of love. Jai. Very nice one. Okay. Yes, Ramesh Gaurang Prabhu.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. couple of things प्रभु जी. एक तो ये कि जो हमने पढ़ा है वो कि प्रभुपाद की जो डीलिंग्स थी, they were all personal. His interactions were all very personal. Attention, like Mataji shared, that letters personally, looking at each letter and replying. So it is not something that, okay, one letter we ignore but other we are responding. So interaction with the devotees, and it is all personal. The second is which really touched is that it is one person who built entire this community or the Krishna consciousness society. Society is the word for all of us, and if that society would not have been there, we would be just loitering around just like the others that are today. So I think that's touched my heart.
Yes, thank you so much. So always remember that line, Krishna Shakti Vina Nahe Tar Parvartan. Thank you so much. 1 second. Neha Mataji, writing, thank you so much, Prabhuji, for enlightening us with the most interesting text. Jai Prabhupada. Yes, Jai Prabhupada, Mataji. So, Megha Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Prabhuji, there are lots of things. मतलब आज मैंने स्पेशल कनेक्शन फील किया प्रभुपाद जी से. फर्स्ट ये कि उन्होंने इतने मतलब 72 इयर्स ओल्ड एज में उन्होंने ये स्टार्ट किया मिशन, और वो अकेले मतलब वहाँ गए, फॉरेन कंट्री में गए अपने, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ टू फुलफिल हिज गुरु महाराज डिजायर. और बाकी सब ने हार मान ली थी, उनके साथ के जो गॉड ब्रदर्स थे, बट उन्होंने हार नहीं मानी, एंड दैट वाज वेरी टचिंग. और उनका स्केड्यूल बहुत हैक्टिक था, आई मीन बीइंग इन ओल्ड एज, फिर भी उन्होंने इतना हैक्टिक स्केड्यूल बिकॉज ऑफ अस कि हमारे लिए उन्होंने इतना हैक्टिक स्केड्यूल रखा, और दैट वाज वेरी टचिंग प्रभु जी. और देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स, बट थैंक यू प्रभु जी. हरे कृष्ण.
Thank you so much. Mr. Garan Prabhu, you want to say something else?
Yes, Prabhuji. Meenakshi wants to share.
Okay.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. Prabhuji, what touches my heart is that Satsvarup Maharaj is writing about Srila Prabhupada, and with the help of other devotees, that they felt so much of love they got from a Srila Prabhupada that they want to spread those love to all of us. For as the grandchildren of Srila Prabhupada, he wants that we should also receive the same love through those pastimes which they felt. So that really touches my heart, that they did so much of effort for us that we can also relish those pastimes of Srila Prabhupada.
Very nice. See, whatever we get is simply the blessings of Vaishnava and Acharyas. Nothing we have of our own. Everything, the books, the society, the association of devotees, everything we have received simply as a mercy of Vaishnava and Acharyas, especially Acharyas. So we'll finish.
Prabhuji, can I share one thing?
Yes, Mataji.
Prabhuji, this is regarding Vedanshi actually. Once I was showing her some video of Prabhupada. तो शी इज लाइक कि अच्छा ये प्रभुपाद है. मैंने कहा हाँ यही प्रभुपाद है. कि हाय कितने क्यूट है. पहले तो उसका ये था, फिर बोलती कि मम्मा क्या ये अभी नहीं है. मैंने कहा नहीं. तो कहती है कि मैंने कहा ये 70s में थे, अब तो इनकी एज अगर होते हुए तो बहुत बूढ़े होते. तो फिर मैंने उनको बोला, इसको बोला मैंने कि जो उनके जो डिसाइपल्स हैं वो भी आज 60-70 प्लस हैं. तो वेदांशी बोलती कि मम्मा काश मैं उस समय पैदा हुई होती, लेकिन फिर मैं आज बूढ़ी होती ना, लेकिन मैं उस चीज के लिए भी रेडी हूँ अगर मैं प्रभुपाद को देख पाती तो.
So sweet. Yes, thank you for sharing it, man. Wonderful. So we'll end the class now. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deva Gauravani Pracharini Vishesh Shunyavadi Pashata Deshadari Jagat Guru Shri Prabhupada Ki Jai. Ananti Koti Vaishnava.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.